This is Burke. It's 12 days north of hopeless and a few degrees south of freezing to death. It's located solidly on the meridian of misery. My village. In a word, sturdy. And it's been here for 7 generations, but every single building is new. We have fishing, hunting, and a charming view of the sunsets. The only problems are the pests.
Who, me? No, come on, I'm way too muscular for their taste.
They wouldn't know what to do with all this. See? Old village, lots and lots of new houses.
Come on, give me something to shoot at, give me something to shoot at.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think?
It's not like the last few times, Dad. I mean, I really actually hit it. You guys were busy, and I had a very clear shot. It went down just off Raven Point. Let's get a search party out there.
Thank you for summing that up.
Oh, the gods hate me. Some people lose their knife or their mug. No, not me. I managed to lose an entire dragon. Ow! I don't want to fight dragons. Rephrase. Dad, I can't kill dragons. No, I'm really very extra sure that I won't. You just gestured to all of me. This conversation is feeling very one-sided.
No thanks. I'm good.
Everything we know about you guys is wrong.
Oh, God. Dad, I'm so sorry. I was going to tell you. I just didn't know how to,
Please, by all means. Leaving. We're leaving.
Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever.
Ah, man. Ah! What the?
What are you doing here? Here we go.
Ow! Why would you do that?
Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Where do you think you're going?
Just give me until tomorrow. I'll figure something out.
What are you looking at? He was just protecting me. He's not dangerous. And we've killed thousands of them. They defend themselves, that's all. They raid us because they have to. If they don't bring enough food back, they'll be eaten themselves. There's something else on their island, Dad. But no, I didn't. Toothless did. Only a dragon can find the island. Oh, no, Dad, no, please. It's not what you think. You don't know what you're up against. It's like nothing you've ever seen. Dad, please. I promise you can't win this one. Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
I don't know. I couldn't. Why is this so important to you all of a sudden? Oh, for the love of it, I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon. Okay, whatever. I wouldn't. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. Probably something stupid. Then something crazy. I could get used to it.